In this video, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly crispy and juicy chicken breast in the air fryer with all the tips you need to know for the best results. Here's everything you need to make these delicious air fryer chicken tenders. Let's go through the ingredients we have laid out in front of us. Okay, so we've got 1 kilogram of chicken breasts, which we'll cut into even sized tenders later in this video. Salt for seasoning, 2 eggs, use 2 eggs per 2 pound or 1 kilogram of chicken. Breadcrumbs of your choice, cooking spray or light oil spray. I like to use olive oil. An air fryer, a cutting board and a sharp knife for trimming and slicing the chicken. Mixing bowls, one for the egg wash and one for the breadcrumbs. Tongs or gloves for handling the chicken. A whisk, baking sheet or a tray for prepping the tenders before they go into the air fryer. First, start by patting the chicken breast down with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. This helps the seasoning stick better and ensures a crispier texture. Then evenly cut the chicken breast into tenders just like I'm doing here. I like to remove all excess fat as well. Keeping these uniform in size will help them cook evenly in the air fryer. Now sprinkle salt on each tender. This helps add flavor and makes the coating stick better as well. Now crack 2 eggs for every 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of chicken. Whisk them together to create an egg wash for coating. Now pour in your breadcrumbs into a bowl. This will be our coating station. Also feel free to add some extra seasoning to the breadcrumbs like garlic powder, paprika, Italian herbs, etc. to give your chicken tenders even more flavor. Also add in the comment section below what other spices you like to add in or you did add in. Dip each tender into the egg wash and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. Be sure to coat each piece of chicken thoroughly and evenly in the breadcrumbs for a perfect crispy crust. After coating, give each piece a light spray of oil. This will help them crisp up nicely in the air fryer. Lay your chicken tenders in a single layer on the trays. I've got enough chicken to do 2 trays. Cook the tenders for around 12 to 14 minutes. On 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. If you're cooking with 2 trays, make sure to swap them over at the 6 or 7 minute mark to ensure both trays cook evenly. After cooking, use gloves or tongs to safely remove the tenders from the air fryer. And there you have it, the perfect air fryer chicken tenders, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and seasoned just right. These are great to enjoy as a snack, appetizer, or even a main dish. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauces or alongside a fresh salad or watch them disappear.